No matter where you are traveling, even if it's in the U.S., you are most likely going to be hot this weekend. A lot of us are seeing some extreme heat, especially here at home. You can see that we are in those mid to upper 90s this weekend. Even on Monday, that heat index gets close to 110 degrees. That is going to feel very hot. It's going to feel very sticky outside. And so there's a few things to remember, especially with some events going on this weekend. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. You can get dehydrated very fast in these conditions, and you don't want to feel dizzy and collapse while you are outside because you didn't have enough water. And reapply that sunscreen every 2 hours to make sure you don't get burned out in the sun. And if you are going anywhere, make sure you check the back seat of your car for any pets or anyone that you have in the back seat of your car, because your car becomes like an oven on days like this when it's getting really hot, and that temperature will get dangerously hot in a matter of minutes just being in that car. Now, with it being so hot and humid, there are conditions to have some pop-up storms going into this weekend. Sunday, the northern part of Iowa could possibly see some pop-up storms that turn strong to severe, but you can see that threat is low. Monday, there is also the possibility of that happening again, but that chance is also low, and it still stays in the northern part of the state. But once we get closer to these days, we'll have a better understanding of what to exactly expect. Now, a quick little look at the river forecast right now. You can see that Humboldt is still going down. They're going to be out of the flood stage on Tuesday, so that's good news. Fort Dodge is also going to be out of the near flood stage completely on Monday, so that is also good news. So we are going to continue to see that drop. You can see that we mainly have clear skies right now. We just are seeing those high cirrus clouds. 69 degrees currently in Des Moines, but the rest of the state is seeing those 60s for the most part. We're going to start warming up to those 70s once that sun comes out a little bit more, but our high today is going to be 89 degrees. So it's getting hotter, but that air quality is getting better. Now tonight we'll get down to 71 degrees. You can see it's already going to be a warm night. So it's going to start feeling a little bit warmer as we get into this weekend. We'll have those high temperatures going all the way till Monday. Then things cool down on Tuesday, so that is good news. Wednesday gets even better. We get in the low 80s, and then you can see next weekend looks like it's going to be a much better weekend, but there is a chance to see those storms again. But for right now, just remember it's going to be hot this weekend.